हामी तपाईको इन्टरनेसनल बोर्डर चिवा भन्ज्याङ प्रस्थान हुन आँटेको छु र यही बाटो हो तपाईको उत्तरबाट यहाँ आइपुग्नु तपाईको 3 किलोमिटर जस्तो लाग्छ र यहाँबाट अब हाम्रो पैदल यात्रा सुरु हुन्छ किनभने अहिलेसम्म कुनै रोड बनेको छैन र भर्खर रोड बनेको छ त्यो कम्प्लिट भएको छैन र यहाँबाट हाम्रो पैदल यात्रा सुरु हुन्छ चिवा भन्ज्याङपट्टि जो नेपाल र सिक्किमको बोर्डर हो र हामीले सुन्नु पाउँदाखेरि यहाँबाट लगभग 4 घण्टा उकालो त्यो ठाउँमा पुग्न 4 घण्टा हिँड्नुपर्छ भन्दैछ र आउनुहोस् अब यो बाटोको यात्रा कस्तो छ हामी तपाईँलाई देखाउनेछौँ र आउनुहोस् मसँग। मसँग मेरो सहयोगी यहाँको बासिन्दा सुजन गुरुङ हुनुहुन्छ र उहाँले हामीलाई गाइड गरेर लानुहुन्छ र उहाँ हुनुहुन्छ सुजन गुरुङ यहाँकै बासिन्दा र उहाँ धेरैपल्ट चिवा भन्ने गइसक्नुहुन्छ र आज हामीलाई उहाँले गाइड गरेर लानुहुन्छ। Hello, myself Siddhi Setri and I am from Sikkim itself. Right now we are proceeding to Chiwa भन्ज्याङ, which is an international border of Sikkim as well as Nepal. So from Dentam, Uttare is the last point. From Uttare you have to walk 4.5 hours to reach that spot. So we are on the way. So we are on the way to Uttare, and as you know that Sikkim is very rich in natural beauty as well as on biodiversity in the world. So we'll take you to Chiwa भन्ज्याङ. On the way we will get different types of waterfalls, rivers, as well as beautiful trees and beautiful birds singing around. You can as you can hear it right now, birds are singing, different birds are singing. So I will take you to the different beauties of on the way to Chiwa भन्ज्याङ. So walk with me. यहाँ मेरो साथी सुजन गुरुङ हुन्छ यहाँकै बासिन्दा र उहाँ धेरैचोटि यो चिवा भन्ज्याङ इन्टरनेसनल बोर्डर जाइसक्नु भएको छ र उहाँलाई धेरै अन्दाज र एक्सपिरियन्स पनि छ र आज एसएम गाइडको रूपमा मैले उहाँलाई सहयोग मागेर यस चिवा भन्ज्याङ इन्टरनेसनल बोर्डरमा एसएम गाइडको रूपमा मैले उहाँलाई लाँदैछु। भन्ज्याङ, and we have to stop for some while because we are too tired and leg is sweating so much because it's a trekking route. So a lot of sweat has came and feeling very thirsty. So this is a pure water and it has come from the Himalayas as well as. So it's a pure water also. You can feel it and you can drink it also. So I'm thinking. Finally, after starting this water, it is too cold and finally it is so relaxed that all the way it is so relaxed. And now we will be proceeding towards Jiwa Bhanjing international border. From here it takes 3 hours to reach that spot. So to reach that spot, so we will travel to our destination. International border of Sikkim and Nepal. And right now, you see there are many posters comes up and down guiding tourists as well as this yacht will help you to carry the luggage as well as goods so that it will be easier to walk for people. So right now we have reached Chitre and crossed Chitre checkpost. So now we are proceeding to Jiwa Bhanjing. So till now it took 3 hours to reach here and we are very tired as well as hungry. So but our destination we should complete it. So we are now it takes 2 hours to reach that destination. So let's proceed. So we are about to reach Jiwa Bhanjing, which is an international border. So we are about to reach our destination of 2 days. So now from here I think it will take 5 to 10 minutes to reach the spot. Almost it took 4.5 hours to reach here. Now I think it will take 20 minutes to 30 minutes to reach the spot. Finally we came to our destination, that is Jiwa Bhanjing, that is Sikkim as well as Nepal international border. Right now it took us from Uttare to reach here 4 and 10 minutes. So we are very tired, and so right now we are on the spot. So we got to meet our police from Sikkim itself, where we feel very excited and enthusiastic, and mostly they have brought us to our kitchen and they have served us our delicious food, like this is called chapati as well as dal as well as vegetables and all, curries and all. So we enjoyed loving eating because we are very tired, and so after getting it we feel very excited to have it. finally, after 4.5 hours, we have reached to the spot that is called Chiba Bhanjang, and this is international borders, as well as we see many things from here. We can go. It is an international tourist spot, as well as there are a lot of things who came here for trekkings, and who will go for different route for trekking, especially foreign and Indian tourists, as well as local tourists will come for trekking, as well as to enjoy the natural beauty. And till here it is an Indian border. From that side it is a Nepal border. It is the relationship border of Nepal and India. So this is our Chiba Bhanjang, and finally we came to our destination, that is Chiba Bhanjang international border.
लिङ्गे कुनाबार भनेर भन्छ। यो ठोट्ने खोला पनि भन्छ यसलाई।
we start our journey in the morning, and right now we complete our journey. It took us 4 hours to reach the Chiramani International Border between Sikkim and Nepal, and returning back it took us 2 hours to reach this point from where we start in the morning. So in the middle of the way, we got very nice, excited to see mostly different kind of birds, their voice, beautiful streams and rivers as well as waterfalls, and mostly we see a nice flower that is our straight rhododendron. Plus we got so many beautiful things. So we enjoy a lot, and this our journey which we have started from Uttare to Chiramani to Uttare will be a great remembrance, and we enjoyed a lot. Thank you.